So today we're looking at the LRS emergency call buttons. As you can see, these particular devices have 6 buttons, all completely programmable for your exact needs for any application. And these buttons are used for many sectors, but the health and safety sector are a very big user here in the UK. The LRS call button can be powered by mains or battery, depending on the customer's needs. But the good news is if the button is not used, then it goes into like a sleep mode to save battery power. And that in turn extends battery life for a very long time. Obviously with mains power, if available, that's a better choice for emergency call buttons. One of the great things about this unit here is it can send out a message to either an individual, a group of people, or everyone. And we can often set up the emergency call buttons as an example to first aid groups. You'll notice there is a small black dot on the top of the unit. That denotes our swipe technology, which makes the LRS button years ahead of competitors. Let me explain. The LRS emergency call button can be set up to repeat a message to recipients. And for example, in the case of a group of first aid colleagues, maybe comprising of 3 people, each will receive the message when the button is pressed. Usually all team members start to go to the incident, but one member will usually arrive first. Evaluate the situation, and if he doesn't need other support from the other team members, he'll swipe his pager over this black dot on the main body. And that action sends out a message to other colleagues of his team to stand down as he has handled it. But if he doesn't need the other team members, he just allows them to arrive for serious incidents. LRS also has a 1-button unit if you only need one message type. Let me show you an example of a first aid call button in use on a site, and you can see that the back plate, contrary to this one, is specific for first aid paging. You'll notice that the multi-use emergency call point has actually 6 buttons, and the background for this one is very different than the first aid one I just showed you. That's for good reason. In the case of the 6-button device, this backplate example is from a very large company, and they have nothing but praise to share about the system, the support and the operation of their 6-button LRS solution on site. The LRS emergency call button system is extremely well priced and has full UK warranty and support directly with us. Please ask for a quote on 01782 53 7000 or visit our website at www.lrspages.co.uk. I'm going to hand you over to Chelsea now, who's going to take you through another LRS innovation called LRS Connect.
Hi, I'm Chelsea, and another LRS innovation is the LRS Connect software. This is a cloud-based solution that we will have in the future and is an important gain for the emergency call buttons. In future release of LRS Connect, call button use will be captured and collated into reports on LRS Connect. This opens up a massive new area where operators can easily identify all emergency calls and collate them into reports that are useful for future planning. Also useful for reporting to show, for example, health and safety is required to do so. As well as that feature, LRS Connect can integrate into a new solution called ConnectSpot. The ConnectSpot includes a QR code on the label shown here. These labels can be placed on or off the premises. Using ConnectSpot is simple for someone either arriving to a certain area, maybe on the car park, the sector in the building. The person simply uses their mobile phone to scan the QR code. That action then takes the user to a specific landing page, which by the way is completely configurable for further instructions. Also, it can add the user to an LRS Connect and show their location. There are multiple uses for this sort of technology, and remember that LRS Connect can message the mobile phone directly from a PC or tablet that is used for LRS Connect. Please ask LRS UK for more details on 01782 53 7000 or visit www.lrsconnect.co.uk and www.connectspot.co.uk for more information. I'm going to pass you back to Tony now, who will speak about logistics.
As well as LRS Connect being used for many types of business, logistics is a major sector of business we supply. Our LRS CS pages are given to the driver of the truck when they arrive on site. Here's an example of an LRS pager that has text ability, so you can send the message to the truck driver. Basically, our LRS CS pages are given to the driver of the truck when they arrive on site. The page number is noted and the registration is added to LRS Connect, as you can see on these here. The red ones are late, so it's all timed. The truck is then parked for when the bay is ready for the delivery. When needed, the driver is messaged with the bay he is to proceed to, and this action reduces wait times dramatically. There are no more lost minutes trying to locate trucks and drivers. And of course, the reporting shows the full history and recall process with achieved target times and other important criteria of the logistics operation. The LRS Logistics solution is used by the biggest logistics operation in the world today, both in the UK and throughout Europe. It's a system you can trust because it's tried and tested over and over and over. The system is exceptionally well priced, and there is a full support and a great warranty for the UK directly from us. For further information about logistics systems from Long Range Systems, either call 01782 53 7000 or visit www.lrspages.co.uk, where we have a dedicated section for logistics. Lastly, I do want to mention that we do supply all brands of two-way radios, like this one, whether analog, digital, LTE and even ATEX standard equipment, so please do contact us for your exact needs. And if you're unsure, simply ask our two-way radio experts. We've got a number of them within the company. They're on hand at LRS to offer free advice. We can even lend you a radio to try out without any obligation. Radios are really a great solution for lone workers and man-down situations. We've supplied many companies with wireless radio solutions. Just ask for references. Radio technology has moved on in leaps and bounds since digital technology and LTE POC radios have hit the scene. And it's worth talking to us about all of those types of technologies and how they've affected lone workers and man down. So if you're looking for anything like a two-way radio, we've supplied as many as 7,000 on one order. So we're good at what we do. So please do contact us on 01782 53 7000 or visit www.lrsradios.co.uk. Note it's a different website. That's a website that links to specific brands of radios that we sell and support for further information. We hope you've enjoyed taking a look at these new solutions now available, and please do feel free to see us at any trade show or contact us directly at LRS UK. We'd love to hear from you, and thanks for watching this short presentation. I hope it's been interesting.